Search engine is a great way to attract those who are problem aware, very similar to the print yellow pages. If somebody goes on the print yellow pages, they flip to, let's say, Windows, they're looking for Windows, they're looking for you. So if we look at the state of Google search, is unfortunately, it's more and more becoming a pay-to-play model. What that means is if you're currently doing Google Ads, the ads will further push down the map listings and organic listing. So let me show you a few examples. I'm not loving this, by the way, but if I type in Chicago cremation, this is what you will see. As this is searched from my desktop, you will see maximum of 4 ads. Even if you're ranked in the map listing or organic, it further gets pushed down. So what Google is trying to do is to make these ads as big as possible in real estate. That way, more people are clicking on these ads. Similarly, on mobile search, if I type in funeral homes San Antonio, this is what you will see now, is that first placement, that first spot, take up the whole real estate. And as you start swiping down on your mobile device, you might see the second ad and the third ad. Eventually, you will see the map listing and the organic listing, right? Cremation San Antonio. Unfortunately, this is all you see are just ads. So I do encourage you to test it out, Google Ads. If you're in a, let's say, in a place where there's very, very competitive, then definitely you want to be using Google Ads to further push down your competition. Even if you're in a place where it's not that competitive and you are already organically ranked and you're also ranked in local search, but a mobile device, to squeeze out your competition is just do a Google ad as well. Now you see the whole mobile screen, that first screenshot, it's all you. And if you don't click on it, that's fine. It doesn't cost you anything. This is a pay-to-play, pay-per-click model, so it doesn't cost you anything. If they do click on it, most likely they have high interest. So give Google Ads a shot here. It's a great way to generate leads in a short amount of time.